Hello guys, this is Ron Tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSim that will work in Slovenia, and that the link and coupon will be in the description. Alright, and open description and click on eSim link and open voyfly.com. Alright, and click on this and write Slovenia. Alright, open new page and scroll down. Choose data type, unlimited data or fixed data. And this service, voyfly.com, is number one for eSim. Alright? Choose data type, unlimited data or fixed data. I'm recommend unlimited data and choose a speed plane light plus premium. I'm select plus, maybe premium, alright, and select days. I'm select 30 days plus speed unlimited data, alright, and click on buy it now. Click on buy it now and click on this discount code and write ROAM tips and click on apply. Order discount this dollars is very good and click on Google Pay and buy a SIM or write email, write payment and write billing address and click on pay now. And that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.